Don't blink. You're watching Real TV. Welcome back. A daredevil gets into big trouble because he didn't plan ahead. He tries to climb down a breathtaking cliff, but he soon finds out his rope is too short. Our Sabila Vargas shows you what happens next in the story you won't see anywhere else.
Cliff Bluhm is a rock climbing director in Yosemite National Park. Taking a busman's holiday on his day off, Cliff goes rock climbing in Yosemite's Vernal Falls. On his way down, however, he discovers he's not brought enough rope. Big trouble lies ahead. In an interview with Real TV, Cliff tells us how what should have been merely an exciting adventure turns into a life and death experience.
I think about this point is where I discovered that the rope is stuck. I've pulled up all the rope that I can, and I start to go back behind the falls to try to get the rope unstuck. This got my heart going just a little bit here when I slipped. I wish at this point that I had known from the top that the rope was not long enough, so I would have just gone up from the start and not gone all the way down. And I am kind of thinking at this point that basically this is not a good situation. There's still a chance I'll get out of it, just climb up the rope. I knew at this point that I had a long ways to go. The whole time I was afraid that the rope could get cut. But a long ways to go. Long ways to go.
Cliff's climb back is 250 feet straight up. It's our good fortune that this exciting adventure was recorded by a passerby who gave the tape to Cliff, who sent it on to us.
I've had several experiences where it was like, oh darn, I'm going to die. And this was one of them.
Pretty frightening. Now, Cliff is back to climbing again. However, now he makes sure he brings along more than enough rope.